What's going on, guys? My name is Jennifer Altman. I've been a Nesta certified fitness trainer since 2013. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you along through my second workout in my Let's Get Shredded challenge. If you missed the first workout, be sure to go over to my channel and catch up. So this challenge is a 12-week gym challenge. I actually created it last year back in November, but I loved the results that I got from it, so I'm doing it again. This challenge has a minimum of 4 workouts a week. The 5th and 6th workout are either extra credit days or makeup days. You can download a free PDF version of this challenge at fitbyjennifer.com. So today I'm gonna be hitting back and hamstrings, and this is one of my favorite workouts in this challenge. So without further ado, let's get into today's workout. What is going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be hitting back and hamstrings, and we are starting off with our deadlifts. So here I'm just doing a barbell deadlift. We're going to be getting 10 to 12 reps for a total of 4 sets. Here I'm doing sumo, so I'm slightly turning my toes outwards. This will hit more of the glutes. Moving on, we have our lat pull downs. I don't have a lat pull down machine at my gym, so an alternative is using this rope attachment, and I like to kneel down on my knees and pull my elbows out to the side, and it really hits your lats. Okay, moving on to pull-ups. So I typically use a pull-up machine that will help assist me doing pull-ups, but I didn't have access to that, so today I only did around 4 to 5 reps per set, but that's okay. Moving on, we have our rows. I'm gonna be using a plate. Usually I use a dumbbell or I'll do a bent over row, but today I just chose to use the plate, and I got 10 to 12 reps for 4 sets. Moving on, we have our leg curl. Today, I decided with each rep, I was going to pause at the bottom and slowly release for each rep. It was very challenging and definitely a burner. Moving on, we have abductors. I like to use the cable machine for this exercise. I have an ankle strap attachment, and for this workout, I do 15 to 20 reps for 4 sets. Moving on to our kickbacks, also using the ankle strap attachment, I'll be getting 10 to 12 reps for a total of 4 sets. And last but not least, we have our 100 walking lunges. This is great for a burnout for this workout, and I always say the more you practice these, the more easier they get. So don't be so intimidated by the 100 reps of walking lunges. They will become easier, I promise you. Okay guys, that wraps up today's workout. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Tune in till next time. Peace.